Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and a happy holidays. I hope that y'all had a wonderful holiday at Thanksgiving. Now it's time to start thinking about crafting for Christmas. So we went to the Dollar Tree and you saw some of our wreath videos. We found these amazing ornaments and the Dollar Tree has them for $1 and you typically get anywhere between, I think they're like 8 to 12 in the smaller packages, and then they have these larger ones which are $1 a piece. So what's really cool is that we have gone to Disney World many times, and I've looked in the Disney store, and they have these beautiful, you know, like it's a circle and then 2 ears, right? So it looks like Mickey. And when I found them at the stores at Disney, they're typically like $12 to $15. So if you look at, let's say those 2 little red ones, that was part of a pack of 12 or 10 or something. So maybe those were $1/4 a piece, if that. And you can see what's nice about them is they're plastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to decide where we want to put it. And we took the little gold hangy piece off. You want to follow that little seam line. And what you're going to do is heat up your glue gun. And once it's nice and warm, the craziest part, you literally will take the glue gun, mark where you want the ear to sit. You set it right on that dot and let it sort of melt into the plastic, and then glue the heck out of that and put the ear in. Now, I know you're like, that's it? That's all it is. It's so easy. And the thing that's awesome is because you used a glue gun, it's going to hold it nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere. And I kid you not, they are so Disney magical, it's not even funny. Now again, obviously Disney has them as well. These are just the fun DIY version that you can do. So here we go. Watch what we're going to do. We're going to take that heaty gun. Here we go. Come on, glue gun. And find that spot where we marked it right there. Yep, right there. And now watch. You're just going to literally let it melt. See how it's melting it? Quite a bit of glue. Straight on through. Super fast. Super easy. Really easy to do, I kid you not. Then you glue the heck out of that ear. And it goes right into the brand new piece that you just created. Now, my suggestion would be is you gotta sit and kind of hold it and let them meld together for a little bit. But once it's done, they're amazing. And they hold up, they're really strong, and because they're plastic, they're really light, and with little kids, they're durable. So the fun part from here is now you get to decorate it. You know, is it going to be Minnie? Is it going to be Mickey? Are you going to add stuff that reminds you of the Wilderness Lodge, you know, like little greenery or some acorns or nuts or something fun like that. So it's really fun, and these are so fast to do. Again, so if you wanted to decorate an entire tree like this, I mean, look at how easy this is. And they look so good. You can see we did those on our wreath as well. So fun. And at Dollar Tree, they have a ton of accessories you could put on there. So let's go ahead and look. There is a little bag they offer, and it's a bunch of bows. And they were $1 as well. So extremely inexpensive. And you could put that, maybe some jingle bells. You know, that would be fun on there. Maybe like 2 or 3 little jingle bells. But I mean, look at that's a pack of what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12. So 12 bows for $1. So super good price. Although I heard that Dollar Tree is now going to be going to $1.25 plus tax. So just a little bit more expensive. So it's a 25% markup, right? It's kind of, you know, takes away from the inexpensiveness of it. Although, I mean, $1.25 is not horrible. But again, look at now you can take these, glue them on. You could put it in the center like Minnie. You could put 2 of them, one on either side. You know, really whatever you are thinking will match your decor. Well, I hope that I have inspired you again. I am loving that we're bringing some crafts here to the Jessica Lynn Original website. I did a ton of card making, and more of that is coming again very soon. I'm just resetting up a brand new office. Once that is all set up, I can't wait to share it with you. I'm so excited. But I thought I would just go ahead and bring some of my crafting to you, so I hope this inspired you. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. There's a subscribe button down on the bottom right. Like this video, and don't forget to comment. I'd love to hear from you. Take care, everybody.